Hi guys, my name is Dushyant and I am going to tell you about 50 questions that could be asked in a manual testing interview. So let's start. What is integration testing? Integration testing is the phase of software testing in which the individual software modules are combined and tested as a group. Integration testing is black box testing. The purpose of this testing is to ensure different component of application still work in accordance to the customer requirements. The test cases are developed with the purpose of exercising the interfaces between the components. This activity is carried out by the test team. What is software project test plan? Software project test plan is a document that describes the objective, scope, approach, and focus of a testing effort. The process of preparing the test plan is a useful way to think through the efforts needed to validate the acceptability of the software product. When do you choose automated testing? We can choose automated testing for larger projects or ongoing long-term projects. What is incremental testing? Incremental testing is the faster testing of an incomplete product. The goal of incremental testing is to give an early feedback to developer. What is alpha testing? Alpha testing is performed by in-house developers and software quality assurance people. What is beta testing? Beta testing is the type of testing which is conducted by a customer in the absence of development team. What is ad hoc testing? Ad hoc testing is the least formal testing approach. Testing is carried out using no recognized test case design technique. What is clear box testing? Clear box testing is same as white box testing. It is the testing approach that examines the application program structure and designs the test cases from application program logic. What is black box testing? Black box testing is testing without the knowledge of internal working of item being tested. The tester will only know the legal inputs and what the expected output should be. What is functional testing? Functional testing is same as black box testing. It determines whether the product functions correctly according to its specifications and relevant standard documentation. Both positive and negative test cases are performed to verify whether the program responds correctly. What is software quality? Quality of a software does vary from system to system. Some of the common attributes of quality are stability, usability, reliability, portability, and maintainability. What is software fault? Software fault is a hidden programming error. What is software configuration management? Software configuration management covers the tools and processes used to control, coordinate, and track code of requirement documentations, problem change requests, design tools, compilers, libraries, patches, and changes made to them, and to keep track code of who make the changes. What is the difference between priority and severity? Priority is about scheduling and severity is about the effect of bug. What is upward compression? In software design, upward compression means the form of demodularization in which the subordinate module is copied into the body of superior module. What is usability? Usability is the ease of use, the ease with which the user can learn to operate, prepare the inputs for, and interpret the output of the software product. What is user documentation? User documentation is a document that describes the way of a software product and the way of a system should be used to obtain the desired results. What is user manual? User manual is a document that provides the information necessary to employ a system to obtain the desired results. What is software version? Software version is an initial release of software associated with the complete compilation of software. What is document version? Document version is the initial release of a document as opposed to a revision resulting from an issuing change pages to the previous release. What is disaster recovery testing? Disaster recovery testing is how well a system recovers from disasters, crashes, hardware failures, and other catastrophic problems. What is a test methodology? Test methodology is a three-step process: creating the test strategy, creating a test plan, and executing tests. What is monkey testing? Monkey testing is random testing performed by the automated tools. These automated tools are called as monkeys. What is gray box testing? Gray box testing is the software testing technique that is used that uses the combination of white box testing and black box testing. In this testing technique, the tester applies a limited number of test cases to the internal working of software that is under test. What is structural testing? Structural testing is the way to test software with the knowledge of internal working of code being tested. What is smoke testing? Smoke testing is known as build verification testing, is a type of software testing that comprises of non-exhaustive sets of tests that aim at ensuring that most important functions work. The result of this test is used to decide if the build is stable enough to proceed the further testing. What is a test plan? Test plan is a document that describes the scope, approach, resources, and schedules of internal test activities. What is a test scenario? Test scenario is a document that describes the test cases and the sequences in which they are to be executed. What is a requirement test matrix? Requirement test matrix is a project management tool for tracking and managing testing efforts based on the requirements throughout the project life cycle. What is reliability testing? Reliability testing is designing the reliability test cases using accelerated reliability techniques and testing units or system to failures in order to obtain raw failure time data for product life analysis. What is bug life cycle? Bug life cycle is different stages through which the bug passes its life cycle. The different stages are as follows. As per quality center, the new, open, assigned, schedule, delivered, fixed, return, rejected, cancelled, retest, retest pass, retest failed, retest complete, closed, deferred, duplicate, reopen. Give an example of high severity low priority bug. Suppose we have a banking application that calculates weekly, monthly, yearly banking reports, and we have a bug in the calculation of yearly banking report. So this bug will be a high severity and low priority defect because it can be fixed in the next product release, and we have a year's time to fix this. Give an example of high severity low high priority bug. Suppose we have a banking application that calculates weekly, monthly, and yearly banking reports, and we have a bug in calculating the weekly banking report. So this bug will be high severity and high priority defect because we have only 1 week's time to fix this. Give an example of low severity high priority bug. Suppose we have a typo error in client's name on the home page, the page that has the maximum hits of the application. This is high priority and low severity bug because the severity wise it is not so severe, but the client might get offended seeing his or her name wrongly spelled on the home page, and we can get a bad impression due to this. Give an example of low severity and low priority bug. Suppose we have a typo error in a page that has less hits, that is the less page views. This can be categorized as a low severity, low priority bug because both the severity and the priority wise it is not so important. What is the difference between the verification and validation? Verification definition: the process of evaluating the work products, not the actual final product of the development phase, to determine whether they meet the specified requirements for that phase. Objective: to ensure that the product is being built according to the requirements and the design specification. In the other words, to ensure that the work product meets the specified requirements. Question to be asked is that, are we building the right product? Evaluating items in verification are plans, requirement specifications, design specification, code, and test cases. Activities to be done in verification are reviews, walkthroughs, and inspections. Validation definition is the process of evaluating the software during or at the end of the development process to determine whether it satisfies the specific business requirements. The objectives of validation are to ensure the product actually meets the user needs and that the specifications were correct in the first place, and in the other words, to demonstrate that the product fulfill its intended use when placed in its intended environment. The question to be asked is, are we developing the right product? Remember, in the verification it was, are we building the product right, and here it is, are we building right product? Evaluating the items actual Evaluating items here are the actual product software because it is already developed. Activities are testing. What are the different columns in defect tracking template sheet? The different columns in defect tracking template sheets are bug name, bug ID, area path, build number, severity, priority, assigned to, reported by, reported on, reason, status, environment, description, steps to reproduce, expected result. What is localization testing? It is the process of adapting a globalized application to a particular culture or locale. For example, a site perfectly loads when given its URL address in the address bar of the browser but gives error when its post is searched in the Google and navigate from there to the site. This bug passes into the localization testing but is caught when the application goes global. This is called localization bug. What is installation testing? Installation testing is checks that the software application is successfully installed and is working as expected after installation. This testing phase is prior to the end user will firstly interact with the actual application. Installation testing is also called as implementation testing. What is compatibility testing? Checking if the application is compatible with the different software and hardware environments or not. What is the different sections of business requirement specification template? The different sections of business requirement specification template are client introduction, project introduction, existing system, drawbacks in existing system, proposed system. What is What are the different black box test case design techniques? The different black box test case design techniques are equivalence class partitioning, that is called ECP, boundary value analysis, BVA, design table, state transitioning testing, use case testing. What is a showstopper defect? The defect that does not allow to continue further testing is called a showstopper defect. What are the different models of testing? There are two types of models, namely sequential model that consists of waterfall model and V model, and the iterative models that consist of RAD, that is rapid application development model, prototype model, spiral model, and agile model. Define waterfall model. Waterfall model is a sequential model. It derives its name from the cascading effect that happens after each phase. All the process flows in one direction, that is downwards. Firstly, there are requirement phase, followed by the verification, then there is specification phase followed by the verification, then there is design phase followed by verification, then there is implementation phase followed by verification, integration phase followed by testing, then product deliverables occur followed by maintenance. The cascading effects can be understood as the verification. What define RAD, rapid application development model? RAD is the adoption of waterfall model. It aims in developing a software in a short span of time. It concentrates on input, output, source, and destination of information. It is based on model phases. Model phases are business modeling, data modeling, process modeling, application generation, and testing and turnover. Define agile testing. Agile testing is somewhat different from the traditional testing methodology. The main features of agile testing are: we accept the change as it comes in the agile methodology, while in the traditional testing we manage it and control it. There is minimum planning in agile testing, while we follow as you go type strategy. We follow a plan as you go type strategy in agile testing, while in the traditional testing methodology we plan upfront, prepare the test design already, and then test. In agile testing, documentation is short and sweet, while in traditional testing documentation is verbally very lengthy. In agile testing, there is a relay race type of situation regarding the hands-off where the people collaborate, while in the traditional testing there is formal entrance and exit criteria with sign-off. In agile testing, developer people does the automation testing, while in the traditional testing there are specialists to do the automation testing, and in system level it is system levels based on our commercial tools. What is a good test case? A test case having good chances of catching a defect is a good test case. What is the difference between these three words? Error, defect, bug. Error, the deviation from the required logic, syntax, or standard ethics is called error. There are three types of error. They are syntax error. This is due to the deviation from the syntax of the language what supposed to follow. Logical error, this is due to the deviation from the logic of the program what supposed to follow. Execution error, this is happens when you execute the same program that time you get it. Defect: when an error found by the test engineer testing department, then it is called a defect. Bug: if a defect is agreed by the developer, it converts into bug, which is to be fixed by the developer or postponed to the next version. Sorry. Difference between SDLC and SDLC. And the thing is to be noted here that SDLC and SDLC full form will not be mentioned in the interview by the interviewer. You have to guess it. What it is. It is basically software testing life cycle and software or system development life cycle. So software testing life cycle, it starts with preparing test strategy, preparing test plan, creating test environment, writing the test cases, creating test script, executing test scripts, analyzing the results and reporting the bugs, doing regression testing, test exiting. SDLC is software or system development life cycle. Phases are project initiation, requirement gathering and documenting, designing, coding and unit testing, integration and testing, system testing, installation testing, acceptance testing, support and maintenance. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe.